Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to your go-to place for astrology, numerology, palmistry, and cosmic guidance. This week, we are exploring the weekly horoscope from September 22nd to September 28, 2025, covering money, love, career, and health for all zodiac signs. So, let's see what the stars have in store for you. Aries, this week is about strategic financial growth. You might find opportunities to revisit past investments or catch up on pending returns. In love, your charm will shine early in the week, and deeper emotional connections will develop towards the weekend. Career-wise, your creative energy is at its peak. Don't hesitate to pitch your ideas or take on a leadership role. As for health, focus on maintaining balance. A combination of exercise and proper diet will help you stay energetic and productive. Taurus, financial stability is highlighted this week, but it's also a good time to explore new opportunities. In love, open and honest communication is key to avoid misunderstandings with your partner or loved ones. Professionally, aligning with your objectives and cooperating with colleagues will bring success. For health, pay attention to emotional well-being, consider meditation or mindfulness practices to manage stress. Gemini, your financial situation is stable, giving you room to explore new ventures or investments with high returns. In love, the beginning of the week brings pleasant energy, perfect for planning meaningful connections. At work, your creative momentum is strong, revisit old ideas or pitch new projects. Health-wise, maintaining balance is crucial, so don't neglect sleep, diet, or exercise. Cancer, this week brings financial stability and opportunities to revisit past investments. In love, be open to surprises, emotional developments could deepen bonds with loved ones. Career-wise, positive energy in teamwork and relationships helps you progress. Health calls for a balanced routine, avoid stress overload and make time to recharge. Leo, your financial focus is on stability. Avoid impulsive spending and plan ahead. Love life is socially active, however, remember to recharge your social batteries before the weekend. At work, your creative projects shine. It's the perfect week to showcase your talents or start something you've been passionate about. For health, a consistent exercise routine and proper sleep will keep your energy levels high. Virgo, this week is excellent for rebuilding financial resources. In love, you may feel a mix of nostalgia and excitement, perfect for reconnecting with someone from the past or starting a new adventure. Career-wise, productivity peaks, and strategic thinking brings success. For health, focus on upgrading your routines, whether it's healthy food, better sleep, or consistent supplements. These changes will have long-lasting effects. Libra, financial stability continues, but this is also a great week to evaluate opportunities and make strategic decisions. In love, observe relationships carefully and take a step back if needed. Clarity will follow. Career and creative projects will flourish under favorable energy, so pitch your ideas confidently. Health calls for balance, a mix of light exercise and mindful habits will benefit you. Scorpio, financial growth is possible if you revisit past investments or pending matters. In love, take a watchful approach, assess your feelings before taking action. Professionally, social and professional shifts may bring new opportunities. Health-wise, consistency is key, maintain a proper diet and routine to stay fit and energized. Sagittarius, this week is favorable for financial stability. Take time to revisit old plans and secure pending income. In love, evaluate relationships carefully and make strategic decisions for long-term happiness. Career-wise, big moves are possible, trust your intuition and seize opportunities wisely. For health, maintaining a balanced routine and proper rest is essential to sustain energy and focus. Capricorn, your finances remain stable, and pending matters may be resolved. In love, stepping back to evaluate situations will provide clarity. At work, career focus is strong, however, avoid overburdening yourself. Health calls for maintaining consistent habits, exercise, nutrition, and rest should not be neglected. Aquarius, financial stability is achievable, and revisiting past investments could bring gains. In love, gain perspective by stepping back and observing your relationships before making decisions. Career matters may involve trust and bonding at work, strengthening professional relationships is key. Health-wise, balance is crucial, avoid overexertion and prioritize wellness routines. Pisces, this week brings a strong financial position and the return of pending money. In love, emotional connections deepen, and your love life improves. Career-wise, changes in social and professional circles may open new doors. For health, consistent attention to diet and exercise will keep you energized and balanced. Across all signs, this week emphasizes balance, mindfulness, and strategic planning. Whether it's money, love, career, or health, staying calm, patient, and aware of opportunities will help you make the most of the week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on weekly astrology insights.